Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of embedding a custom field creation link using the BoldSign Node.js SDK. I'll show you how to generate a custom field creation link, integrate it using an iframe, allowing users to create, edit, and delete custom fields directly from your app. An HR manager and team frequently send documents like job application forms to employees. These forms often include recurring fields such as phone numbers. To maintain consistency and save time, the manager creates custom form fields for these recurring items. This ensures uniformity, reduces confusion, and streamlines the process of generating signature requests. Let's dive in. Make sure you have installed the BoldSign Node.js SDK by running the command npm install BoldSign in your terminal. Since I've already installed it, I'll confirm by running npm list BoldSign. As you can see, the package is installed and ready to go. To generate custom field creation link, I navigate to the developer documentation, copy the Node.js code snippet, and paste it into a new file. Next, I'll update the code. The Custom Field API lets you manage custom field operations via the BoldSign API. I set the API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't generated your API key yet, you can do so by logging into the BoldSign web app. Navigate to the API menu, select API keys, and generate a new key. Next, I'll set the brand ID. To retrieve the brand ID, I navigate to the BoldSign web app, expand the settings menu, and choose branding. I click the context menu and select Use Brand ID to copy and paste it here. Optionally, you can set the link expiry date. The default expiration date is 30 days from the current date. I'll set it to 25 days from now. Then I call the Embed Custom Field method on the Custom Field API object by passing the brand ID and link valid till. I log the embedded custom field creation link in the console. I run the sample, which returns an embedded custom field creation URL. Next, I'll show you how to embed this link within an iframe. I copy the URL and set it to the source attribute of the iframe. Open it in the browser. The BoldSign custom field creation page loads directly inside the iframe. This is now fully embedded in my application. With this embedded custom field creation page, users can create, edit, and delete custom fields. For example, to customize a frequently used form field like this text box for phone number, drag the text box from the left panel onto the page. The field is already marked as required by default, so I'll leave it that way. In the hint text, I type phone number and increase the font size. Under validation, I choose only numbers, and the field only accepts numeric input. Then I click Save as Custom Field, name it phone number, and click Save. If I need to change anything later, like the hint text or font size, I can just drag the form field onto the document, make my changes, click Update Custom Form Field, and then Publish. If a field is no longer needed, I can delete it by clicking the Delete icon. Please note that the Custom Form Fields feature allows only account administrators to customize standard form fields and share them within the organization. Other users can create custom form fields only if the account administrator has enabled the Allow Custom Field Creation property in the brand settings. However, any custom fields created by them will not be visible to others in the organization. In this video, I've shown you how to generate custom field creation link and integrate it into your application via an iframe, enabling users to create, edit, and delete custom fields directly in your app. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorials. Thank you for watching.